On today's first look, we have a 1993 911 Carrera 2 and we have a 1982 Porsche 911 SC. Now, both of these were restored by the same company, and you really look around the amount of work they did to restore these. And I think when we get to how much it cost to restore them, you'll understand why we're looking at all the detail. Entered in the 2022 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge, earned a Regional People's Choice Award and a National People's Choice Award. It is powered by the air-cooled 3-liter flat six, producing 172 horsepower. It has the Bosch K-Jetronic fuel injection, the 5-speed manual transmission. The SC, short for Super Carrera, was initially intended to mark the end of the 911 in favor of the 928, but strong sales extended the lineage beyond 1983. It is a documented restoration with receipts from Bluegrass Automotive totaling $515,683, but who's counting? Comes with a bound coffee table book of pictures highlighting the restoration journey. The 1993 911 Carrera 2 entered into the preservation category of the 2023 Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge by Porsche of Louisville. Best part I love, powered by the flat six Mezzer engine, air-cooled. I love that. Paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. The 964 generation was first introduced in 1988 for the 1989 model year, represented a modernization evolution of the 911, enhanced both the performance and the comfort while retaining that traditional rear engine layout. It has documented receipts of the restoration totaling over $186,000 from Bluegrass Automotive. Both of these beautiful black Porsches, 2 different generations, are selling at no reserve at our 2026 Scottsdale Auction, January 17th through the 25th at WestWorld of Scottsdale.